guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, hello, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Today I am showing you guys how I set my wash and goes and how I sleep with them and preserve them overnight. I feel like so many videos when it comes to a wash and go is just set on how to do them, but no one ever really talks about how to preserve them. So I just finished doing my wash and go. I don't want to touch it too much because obviously I'm not trying to cause any frizz. The first thing that I always do once I am fully finished with my full entire wash and go, I always either 1, diffuse, 2, use a hooded dryer, or 3, air dry. Now, air dry is kind of risky. Some people like to do it, some people don't. A lot of people experience frizz when they air dry, so I wouldn't really recommend air drying, but if you have to, you have to, you know. But what I like, my ultimate favorite type of drying is a hooded dryer. It's just so easy. I don't have to sit there and hold a diffuser all day. I don't have to sit there and like mess with the curls and take the, because I feel like with diffusing, sometimes you're manipulating the curls and causing frizz by having to like maneuver it through your hair strands. So in that case, I feel like a hooded dryer is like the best route to go. I have this hooded dryer here. I got this from Amazon and it's also listed in my storefront if you're interested. But it can raise down or raise up. And then it has these dials, and excuse the dustiness, it gets really dusty easily, but this is the timer, so you can like turn it from 0 to an hour. It also dings, the on and off button, and then the cool to heat button or timer. So you can just adjust it however you like. But this is pretty much like my favorite hooded dryer. It's so reliable, so sturdy. I've had it for probably about a year now and it's like still so perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up so we can get to drying my hair. For wash and goes, I only sit for about 5 to 10 minutes because I don't know, wash and goes just dry really quick for me, and I only put it on about 65 degrees because I don't want it too hot. Today's sponsor is Luisa. I'm out of town with my husband for our 1-year anniversary, and what better way to elevate your look with some new jewelry pieces. So I have these really cute gold earrings in my ear right now. I'm gonna do it up close so you guys can see exactly how they look. But I also have a second piece of jewelry that I think is so freaking cute. It was actually one of my favorite pieces of jewelry all last year, but I lost them, so I was so thankful to get a new pair. My hair at the moment is in a short cut, so I feel like the earrings just accentuate my whole face and hair and ears. The ones that I'm wearing in my ears are the Eden small hoop earrings, and I'll zoom in so you guys can get a closer look. These are the Eden small hoop earrings, and they have this cute little diamonds in them to kind of like elevate the gold hoop. Now, if I'm being honest, I really don't wear gold jewelry usually. I am a silver girly through and through. So when I got these in the mail and I saw that they were gold, I freaked out a little bit until I put them in my ears, and they look so freaking pretty. And I do have a silver pair as well, and I think they're so pretty, but now that I got the gold, I am not mad about it. These are the two-toned ash double hoop earrings. I tell you, I wore these earrings so much last year. If I can find some pictures, I will definitely put them on the screen, and I got so many compliments. I'm so freaking excited to be able to wear them again this year. Now I have 2 special pieces of jewelry, so I won't be wearing these as much, but they both are equally my favorite. One of my favorite things about Luisa is that they craft high quality jewelry pieces at affordable prices. I also love that they are carbon neutral from the packaging to the product, so they really care about the planet and saving the earth. And most of all, their designs are just so unique, and to find really cute pieces like that are so affordable, like how can you pass up on Luisa? Honestly, I have so many different pieces, from rings to bracelets to necklaces to literally earrings. Really anything you can think of, they have it, and it's so affordable, so cute, so high quality. A link down in my bio that you can go and shop some pieces for yourself if you're interested, especially with Valentine's Day coming up soon. There are definitely some pieces that you can find. Thank you so much for Luisa for sponsoring this part of the video. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Mwah. Now we're moving to the bathroom. You're probably like, Tara, what the heck happened to your hair? It was just because I was playing with it and messing with it. But I only set under the dryer for about 8 to 10 minutes. My hair dries pretty fast. And this gel, like, it doesn't take long for this gel to dry. And my heat was turned up pretty high. So don't be alarmed by the way that this looks. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the definition. It looks pretty darn good. So I'm gonna show you guys the trick to it all. You're going to need some, like a bag full of scrunchies. This bag I got from Amazon, and it has like a whole bunch of scrunchies. What I do, I'm gonna take this new oil. You can take your preferred oil or whatever oil you pretty much use for your hair, your go-to oil. I'm gonna take this new oil. I haven't used this. This is a Superfruit Star Lightweight Hairstyling Oil. This is by Amika, the brand. I'm gonna take it and do a few pumps. So what I'm essentially doing is, ooh, I should put on gloves because, yeah. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and grab sections of my hair and put them into the scrunchies. But I need to oil my hands to give my hands some slip, because I feel like sometimes when you're working with your hair and you don't have any oil or anything that's slippery, it'll cause frizz. So now that my hands are oiled up, I'm able to touch my hair. My go-to style that I want to do, you kind of want to lay your scrunchies based off the style that you're doing. So for me, I don't want a part. I'm going to grab it and then go ahead and just lightly or loosely band it like this. This is another thing that I need you guys to pay attention to. I actually don't like when my hair is bended so tight to the point that it looks super stretched after. Like, my point for this isn't really to stretch my hair, it's really to just let my hair kind of like go to sleep in a way that I want my hair to fall in the morning. So I'm just doing one scrunchie. Some girls like literally band their hair shaft all the way to the end, and that's not what we want to do here. So I'm gonna grab this side, pretty much do the same exact thing. From here. I don't think I want to mess with those. I would just do 4. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do 4 because I feel like sometimes when I band, with the way my hair is cut and shaped, sometimes when I band the back of the hair, it looks really weird sometimes. So let me actually gather the hair in the front too. So let me take this down and gather the hair that's in the front too. So boom, oop. Okay, so boom. What I also am going to do, I think I'm going to take this down, because you have to really remember, however you set this style to dry or like stay stretched overnight or just kind of maintained overnight, you want to make sure you're like being strategic with how you place the band. So I just had 2 here, but I knew it was going to be that weird open gap in the middle. So I'm actually going to do 3 instead of 2. So split this piece back. Let it be his own thing. Okay. Then go in the middle. Let this be his own thing. Okay, and then the back. Let this be his own thing. Okay, now I think I took more. Okay, let me add this section to the pink side. I feel like this is the hair all bended up. What I also do when my hair is super defined, sometimes it can look a little bit like sparse because all the hairs are like kind of clumped together. I don't really like that look, so what I'm going to do is spritz a little bit of water so overnight that can kind of swell and set in the way that it wants to set in, and then in the morning I'll like it better. So it's kind of similar to like when you do your hair and you notice that you get in the shower and like once you get out the shower it actually looks like full and set because the steam allowed like your hair to swell. That's kind of what I like. Like I don't like when it looks really like sparsy because of how defined my hair is. That's not the vibe. The last thing you want to do is have a nice satin silk secured bonnet. I got this bonnet from Thank God It's Natural. Well, they actually sent it to me and I love it so much because I was actually in between bonnets at the time. I was using one that I didn't really like and then they sent me this and I was like, that's what I need. So this one had like this black band here and it's not super tight at all. Like my head doesn't hurt when I wear it. But you see how big the bonnet is? It just allows my hair to breathe and roam free. And yeah, I'm gonna check back in with you guys probably sometime tomorrow, because I kind of want you guys to see how my hair looks over the next 3 days with the method I showed you guys, just so you can see how easy it is to preserve or wash and go. Yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow to see how it actually looks when I judge it up. So it is day 1, the next day. I already took my hair out of these scrunchies and the bonnet, but this is how it looks. I'll do a 360 for you guys. And as you can see, my hair looks really good. It's voluminous, the curls are intact. I love it so freaking much, but I'll continue to show you guys how my hair looks each day after, following the routine that I showed you previously with banding my hair and putting on the bonnet every night. So stay tuned for day 2. Hey guys, so it's day 2. I just got out the shower and I'm gonna go ahead and take my bonnet off to see what my hair is looking like. Sometimes I like to do my hair in the bathroom after I shower because the steam kind of helps wake my hair up. Like the steam from the bathroom kind of just helps do whatever it does to my hair. So I like to just do it right after I got the shower.
Back to the bottom bit.
As you can see, my hair still looks so good. The curls are still there, still defined. I like that every single day it gets a little bit bigger. You can see my method definitely works to keep your hair defined and looking pretty from day one. But it's so crazy the difference that your hair looks from day one versus like day two. Because if you guys rewind this video, after I got from under the dryer, my hair looked crazy, so shrunken up and just like not it. But then today and yesterday, this is the look that my hair gives when I band it overnight. And after it's been like fully stretched out. If you're wondering what I use to do my edges, this is the this is the Ebin 24-hour edge trailer. I've never really had issues with this edge control. That's why I kind of always go back to it. And when I run out of it, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna buy it again. Because this is the first time, oh no, what was my face? This is the first time that I've ever used the edge control and kind of like had really no issues with it. Like I low-key kind of like it. I feel like I've tried a million edge controls and they all just don't work. But this one has always given me like good long-lasting results for the most part. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys learned something. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys with another video soon. Bye guys.